Welcome to How to Solve.
In today's video, I will teach you how to use CapCut templates on your PC. So what you have to do first is to open a browser that you have on your PC. So in my case, I am using Microsoft Edge. So now that you are here, search for CapCut.com. Now if you don't have an account yet, you can select sign up, but if you do, then log in. Now once this pop up, log in with your information. So once you have already logged in, various video templates will show up, and what you have to do is to simply select the templates you want. Now if this template is the one you want, so just simply have opened it and then select use this template. Now this will show up, and what we have to do is to edit it. Now change the photo, you have to select this media and then drag or upload a file, and then select the photo you want. Now if you have already added a photo, then simply click on the plus icon on it and that will show. So once you are already done with doing animations, adding CapCut text, or whatever it is that you want to do with the video, simply export it. You can modify the file name and choose a resolution and then hit export. Now what's left to do is to simply wait while your video is exporting.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.